Hi, this is a quick tutorial on how to give GitHub Copilot instructions on how to interact with you. So to give GitHub Copilot instructions, you can go to here, click on instructions, and then tell it you want a new instruction file. And then generally, I would just select .github instructions. Or if you have a preference for some other location, you can use user data folder. But I'll use the default GitHub instructions location. And then in this case, I just want to give it some general instructions. So do that. The apply to is what the instruction apply to. Since it's general, we just make it ***. And in this case, you can see that GitHub Copilot is trying to be helpful and it auto-completed something here for me. So I don't want that. I'm going to delete it. And then I actually do want this part, instructions for all repositories. So this is auto completion that it has because I've asked it to set up this for other repositories before. If you have other instructions that you want the AI to always follow and it's more specific to file type, you can just simply create another set of instructions here. So instruction, new instruction file, same location, say TypeScript, and then you can create something that AI should follow specifically for TypeScript, such as, so it's trying to be helpful and giving some suggestions here. Something you can do is always use TypeScript's type system to your advantage, define interfaces and types. For more examples of AI rules you can give GitHub Copilot, you can search for cursor rules and then the language that you're working in, and you should come across quite a few different examples of other people's prompts for the AI. If you have any AI rules that you like to use, please leave them in the comments below. And see you next time.